You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Romanian, make sure to stay tuned. So this is a name of a girl's name from Romanian, but before that Hebrew. Mihaela is how it's pronounced. That's the Romanian pronunciation, and I believe it's also in English Mihaela, not Mihaela. Do you pronounce it Mihaela? If that's the case, let us know in the comments. Or how do you pronounce it? Mihaela? That's definitely the Romanian and the most common pronunciation, even in English. How to pronounce Mihaela? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.